Do you feel like you don't speak enough Cantonese? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
我可唔可以要張地圖? Could I get a map? So you can always find a travel information center near most attractions and get a map, or just download it online. 你識講英文嗎? Do you speak English? 你識講 is like you know how to speak. 英文 is English. Ma is the question particle. So you can substitute any other languages in this question. For example, 你識講法文嗎? Do you speak French? 法文 is French. 你識講日文嗎? Do you speak Japanese? 你識講國語嗎? Do you speak Mandarin? 呢度有冇巴士由機場去市區? Is there a bus from the airport to the city? 巴士 is bus. It sounds very similar. It's actually a loan word. So 巴士 bus. 機場 is airport. 市區 is city, is like city center or downtown. So there are a lot of airport bus that brings you to different parts of the city. It's very convenient. Wi-Fi 係咪免費? Is the Wi-Fi free? 免費 is free. So most places have free Wi-Fi, like cafes or restaurants. They would provide free Wi-Fi all around Hong Kong. 今晚有冇房? Is there any vacancy tonight? This is a question you ask at the hotel or hostel. So 今晚 is tonight. It could be 今晚 or 今晚 is the same. 有冇 is like, is there any? 房 is room. So is there any room available for tonight? Or do you have any vacancies for tonight? 我可唔可以轉房? Could I move to a different room? 我可唔可以 can I? 轉房 轉 is like to change, to turn. 房 is room, so can I change to another room? 我訂咗房 I have a reservation. So this is a sentence you use at the hotel or hostel. 房 is room, so 訂房 is to make a reservation for a room. 訂咗房 is the past tense, so 我訂咗房 is like I have made the reservation for a room. Before you go to the hotel, you book a room, and then when you arrive, you just tell them 我訂咗房, and then they will ask you for your last name, and they will find your booking. 唔該，可唔可以要個 menu? Could we have the menu, please? 唔該 is please or excuse me. 可唔可以 may we or can we or can I, may I? So menu is the same as in English. We just say menu in Hong Kong. That's the most common. So 唔該，可唔可以要個 menu? This is the question you use in a restaurant. 你有冇咩推介? Do you have any recommendation? So when I travel to a new city, trying new restaurant, I will always ask, what's your recommendation? 你有冇咩推介? 唔該埋單 Check please. 唔該 is please or excuse me. So in this case is please. I want to check please. So check please. 唔該埋單. 埋單 is to wrap up the bill, to settle the bill. So 埋單 check please. That's the sentence you will hear a lot or you will use at the restaurant. 我對花生敏感 I'm allergic to peanuts. 唔該要啲水 Water please. 唔該 again is like please or excuse me. 要啲水 is like I want some water. So water please. 呢個幾錢? How much is this? 呢個 is this. 幾錢 is how much. So how much is this? 呢個幾錢? This is a question you will use at shop or store. Whenever you go shopping, you can ask 呢個幾錢? In Hong Kong, most of the shop already have the price tag listed, so you might not have to ask that question that much. 我要10個呢個 I want 10 of this. 我要10個呢個 我要 is like I want. 10個 is 10. 呢個 is this. So I want 10 of these. 我買呢個 I like this. I'll buy this literally. So 我買 is I buy. 呢個 is this. So I buy this. So I'll like this. That's what you say to the clerk when you are at a shop and you already chose something and you can tell him or her like, I want this one. 我要呢個. 我非常同意. I couldn't agree with you more. 我 me 非常 very much 同意 agree. So I agree with you a lot. Like I agree with you very much. I couldn't agree with you more. 我都唔肯定. Well, I'm not sure. 肯定 is sure. 唔肯定 is not sure. So I'm not sure. 我都唔肯定. 當然, of course. Or a more casual way would be 梗係啦. For sure. 我諗係咁. I guess so. 我諗 is I think. 係咁 as is. So I think so. I think that is the case. 我正想講. I was just going to say that. 正想 is about to. I was going to. So 講 is to say, to speak.
乜嘢令你開心呢？ What makes you happy? Tell us in the comments. 呢個地方好正啊 This place is awesome. 佢好搞笑，最啱去做喜劇。He's very funny. He should become a comedian. Do you know anyone who is very funny? 今日天氣好靚，所以我好開心。It's a beautiful day today, so I'm happy. 笑下心情都會好啲。Laughing can lift your spirits.
Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
飛 ticket. 請問喺邊度買飛? May I ask where can I buy tickets? The ticket window is over there.
冇問題 is no problem. So 有問題 is there is a problem. But since it's a question, so is there any problem? 你 check in 唔到喎，有問題? You cannot check in now. Is there any problem?
去海鮮餐廳食海鮮. Go to a seafood restaurant to eat seafood. 海鮮 is seafood and 餐廳 is restaurant. Seafood restaurant is 海鮮餐廳.
My birthday is in January. Tell us your birthday in the comment section, please. That's very nice. If your roommate or your spouse or your family do that, that's awesome. Can you clean my place for me?
海洋公園嘅熊貓好得意. The pandas in Ocean Park are very cute. Yes, there are two famous pandas in Ocean Park. And if you want to have a wedding with pandas at your witness, you can do that at the Ocean Park too. There was a pair of celebrities who did that. They had a wedding at Ocean Park, and On and Gai Gai the pandas were witness for their wedding. That's pretty cool.
今日係新學期嘅第一日。Today is the first day of class. So 學期 means semester. In this case, it's the first day of class or first day of semester. So today, 今日係新學期嘅第一日 is the first day of the new semester. So today is the first day of school. Yay! You get to meet all your new classmates and teachers. So excited.
而家我知道我哋係注定喺埋一齊. I now know that you and I are truly meant to be together. So 而家 now 我知道 I know 我哋 us we 係注定 is meant to be is fateful to 喺埋一齊 to be together. So we are meant to be together. Star-crossed lovers. It's fate, 命運嘅安排. It's fate. Next, 名牌 is brand name or like a famous brand. 手袋 is a bag. Again, I don't like 名牌手袋. 我唔鍾意名牌手袋. I don't like brand name bags. You can see it everywhere. So boring. 佢個女好靚. Her daughter is very pretty. 你個女好乖. Your daughter is very good, like behaving very well. If someone's blocking you in the movie theater, just tell them, 唔該坐低. Please sit down. Don't block me. 做功課 to do homework. 做功課唔該 which you heard in please. So it means please and thank you as well. For this 唔該, this thank you, we use it when someone do something for us. Someone give you the change. Someone open the door for you. Pick up a fruit for you. You say 唔該 is thank you for the service. 我飲茶 I drink tea. 飲我飲茶。你係唔係 Olivia? 係 like that. 我學廣東話 I learn Cantonese, so that's something you can tell people now that you saw our videos. Excuse me, that is 唔該 again. So we heard 唔該 in 3 situations. Please,
thank you, and now excuse me. So if someone is blocking a road, you can say 唔該, 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 and then they would unblock. They will go away. If you want to ask someone on the street for the direction, you can say 唔該，我想問路，唔該，我想問路. Excuse me, I want to ask about direction. 唔該, to catch someone's attention. 喂，的士. That's how you can call a taxi on the street. There are a lot of taxis around Hong Kong. For more serious situation, for major failure, you use 對唔住. 對唔住 is our next word, and it means I'm really sorry. 我整爛咗你部電腦，對唔住啊. I broke your computer. I'm so sorry. 我唔見咗你個仔啊，對唔住. I lost your son. I'm so sorry. I can't find your son. 我返屋企啦. I'm going home. 嘟嘟嘟喺邊啊? Where is 嘟嘟嘟? You want to ask about the washroom? It's like, where is the washroom? 洗手間喺邊啊? 洗手間 is washroom. 我公司喺中環. My office is in Central. Or you can say 幾錢啊? It's the same as 幾多錢啊? 幾錢啊? You went to Apple Store and you want to buy something and you ask 幾多錢啊? To ask for the price. It's always expensive. 快啲叫警察. Call 999 to ask for the police. 999.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.